With AXIOM Core and Shell shade pockets, a building owner can now include a half pocket that's two-sided in the Core and Shell bid package. With this system, the final tenant has the full flexibility to customize their finished third-side pocket drops to fit their ultimate ceiling design needs. Now, your whole building can have one system that's customizable for every tenant space. We'll start our installation by positioning 2.5-inch track 5 3/8 inches from the wall. Then we'll cut 2.5-inch studs to length for suspending the pocket. On the ground, prep your pockets for 4-foot on center attachment of hanging studs. Then secure the front and back of the studs to your pocket. 1/2-inch by 1/2-inch foam gasketing is required along the outside edge to seal along the wall and make up for slight wall irregularities. Hanging your core pocket with studs spaced 4 foot on center significantly reduces the amount of framing needed to construct a pocket. Add to that, no mud, sanding, or painting is needed since the pocket is finished when you hang it. 12-gauge wires can also be used in place of studs if you prefer. You're going to want to brace your pocket to structure as needed, typically 4 to 8 feet on center. Lateral force bracing would be required for seismic installations. When splicing in another 10-foot pocket section, you'll need to pre-position your splice plate hardware so the pocket is aligned and secured at the 3 splice plate locations. Different splice plates will ship with your core pocket. You'll need to use the flatter plate with Allen screws in it to secure the front splice of your core pocket. This ensures the future shell trim pieces will be able to hook to and engage the core pocket. Your other type of splice plate is the AX Splice 2, which can be tightened with a box wrench or impact driver. Straight or mitered cuts can be done on site, while standard inside and outside corners can be also ordered from Armstrong. Weeks, months, or even years later, AXIOM shell extensions for the tenant space interlock with the core pocket to form elevation drops, drywall or ceiling integration, and perimeter diffusers. It's important for all interlocking components to be secured with self-tapping screws. In addition to our standard and seismic acoustical flanges, AXIOM shell extensions are available with a mud flange to integrate with drywall or our popular AcoustiBuilt seamless acoustical system. Splicing of all of our drop extensions is done with the AX Splice 2 clips that you can now tighten down with an impact driver. When it's time to connect your main runners and cross tees, our AX TBC clips will connect acoustical and drywall tees. For our AcoustiBuilt 7/8-inch thick panels, cut the bottom tab off the AX TBC clip to give clearance for the 7/8-inch thick AcoustiBuilt panels. These details show all that's possible with pocket shell accessories. Adjustable trim allows for a variety of ceiling heights from 1 to 4 inches below the base of the pocket. 4, 6, and 8-inch drop extension plates are used for large elevation changes between the pocket and finished height of the ceiling. Extensions and diffuser faceplates incorporate air distribution into one clean perimeter pocket solution. Once your shades have been installed, AXIOM closure clips install to close up the pocket for a more clean and finished appearance from below. It's important to secure these with a drywall screw as well. To learn more about AXIOM Core and Shell pocket solutions, visit armstrongceilings.com/Axiom.